To complete the solution presented in the previous video in which we use the graphical solution, we're going to do the solution, the analytical solution, or numerical solution actually, using the SMATH Studio function solve. In this case, we're going to start with the worksheet that we had for the previous example. So you should have to be careful with the use of those in graphics. Now, remember that we say, well, we can refine here the grid and get the solution, but you can also solve these two equations simultaneously by equating the right-hand side of this to the right-hand side of that and using solve. Well, here's the solution. The left-hand side, and I'm going to actually repeat this solution right here. I'm going to type uppercase Q dot 0 colon solve, and then I'm going to copy this right-hand side, say Control C, Control V to paste, Control equal, and then we're going to take these units, this right-hand side, Control copy, type it here, Control V, comma, Q, and I'm going to put even the limits 0.005, but I'm getting no solution. The reason is I saying, well, Q is not defined, and actually Q is not defined, but the main reason why we're not getting a solution is because of the units are not compatible. We're trying to find something that's dimensionless, Q, but the Q that gets calculated here must be in cubic feet per second. So the way to do it is like all known constants need to be divided by their units in whatever system you are using. So what is happening here is that a variable like delta Z, I'm going to have to divide by quote ft, feet. Q is my unknown, so I won't touch it, but G has units of feet per second square. And D, you click to the right to D, divide by quote feet. Okay. And then in here, the roughness is in feet, is in length. The D, you need to know this stuff, so I'm just using this to illustrate that. Q is my unknown, so keep it there. Nu is called the kinematic viscosity and has units of feet square per second. D divided by quote feet. And then L and D both get divided by feet. Instead telling me the Q is not defined, if I type uppercase Q here equal, indeed it's not defined, but that's the unknown. Oh, I didn't realize that I had an extra 0 here. And I'm getting everything that, just comparing to the result that I got here. Oh, A, B, and C have not been non-dimensionalized. So I need to divide A by feet, B divided by quote ft, divided by CFS, and C gets divided by quote CFS, FT divided by quote CFS square. Now I do get well, I can't see what's going on to the right. So one thing that you could do is select that and then reduce the size of your text to 8 as I did here. And now I'm going to compare here. I get feet. Oh, this is too small. There you go. And so, sorry for making you wait. The one thing that we need to complete this is to click here to the right and type times quote CFS to make sure to get the units in the appropriate units. Now, of course, it's going to give me by default the case of cubic meters per second, so I got to go here and type quote CFS, and then I got my result as I expected. Anyway, that's what I wanted to present right now.